In this video, we state and prove Cauchy integral formula, and using this formula, we also find derivative of a analytic function, and using these two formulas, we solve some important problems. Now we first state Cauchy integral formula. If fz be analytic on a domain D, if fz is analytic on a domain D, and gamma be a simple closed contour lies in D, and gamma is positive oriented, if z0 be a point interior to gamma, then f of z0 equal to 1 by twice phi I integration gamma fz by z minus z0 dz. Now to prove this Cauchy integral formula, we first use two important results. We first state those results. If D be a domain and z0 be a point on D, if fz is analytic on D minus z0, if fz is analytic in D minus z0 and fz is continuous on D, then integral gamma fz dz is equal to 0. And second one is, if gamma is a simple closed curve taken in positive sense and z0 be a point interior to gamma, then integral gamma dz by z minus z0 is equal to twice pi I. Now using these two results, we prove Cauchy integral formula. Now let us define a function gz on D by gz is equal to fz minus f of z0 by z minus z0 when z not equal to z0, and f dash z0 when z equal to z0. Here z belongs to D. Z belongs to D. Now G is analytic on D minus z0. Since this is a ratio of two analytic function and this is not equal to 0 in D minus z0, so gz is analytic on D minus z0. Also limit g tends to z tends to z0, that is limit z tends to z0, this equal to f dash z0, since f is analytic at z0. So g is continuous on D. Here g is continuous on D and g is analytic in D minus z0, D minus z0. So using this result, we can say integral gamma gz dz is equal to 0. Gz dz is equal to 0. That is, this implies integral gamma fz minus f of z0 by z minus z0 dz is equal to 0. This implies integral gamma fz by z minus z0 dz minus this f of z0 by z minus z0 dz is equal to 0. Now f of z0 is a constant, so integral gamma fz by z minus z0 dz is equal to f of z0 into integral gamma dz by z minus z0. We know this is equal to 2 pi I, so this is equal to f of z0 into 2 pi I, so f of z0 equal to 1 by twice pi integral gamma fz by z minus z0. This is the proof of Cauchy integral formula. Now, using this formula, we can find derivative of analytic function. That is, if fz is analytic on D and gamma be a simple closed curve in positive oriented simple closed curve and z be any point in interior of gamma, then fnz is equal to n factorial by twice phi I integral gamma f of s by s minus z whole to the power n plus 1, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, dot dot. When n equal to 0, then this is fz equal to this, which is actually the Cauchy integral formula, and when n greater than 0, that is n is any natural number, then this represents the nth order derivative of f at the point z. Now, using the Cauchy integral formula as well as the derivative of analytic function, we now solve some important problem. Now, first one is, we now show that integral mod of z minus mod of z is equal to 1. This is the contour, simple closed contour, by z into z minus 4 dz is equal to minus pi I by 2. Here, this is, suppose this is the circle mod z equal to 1. Here, z equal to 0, z equal to 0 is a point interior to this circle. Z equal to 4 is not interior to this circle. So we suppose fz is equal to cos z by z minus 4. So by Cauchy integral formula, f of 0 is equal to 1 by twice phi I integral mod of z is equal to 1 fz by z minus 0. Here taking z0 equal to 0, this is equal to 1 by twice phi I integral mod z equal to 1 cos z by z into z minus 4 dz. Now f of 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, f of 0 equal to 1 by minus 4, that is integral of this cos z by z into z minus 4 dz is equal to twice pi I into f of 0, that is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is equal to minus pi I by 2. Now, our second problem is evaluate integral c cos z by z into z square plus 8 dz, where c denote the positively oriented boundary of the square whose sides lie along the lines x plus minus 2 and y plus minus 2. Now we draw the curve C. This is suppose x equal to 2. This is suppose x equal to minus 2. This is suppose y equal to 2 and this is y equal to minus 2. So this is the C, positively oriented curve. Now here z equal to 0, that is this point, lies in the interior to the curve C. But when we put z square plus 8 equal to 0, we get z is equal to plus minus 2 root 2i, which is not an interior point of C. So we take here fz is equal to cos z by z square plus 8. So using Cauchy integral formula, f of 0 is equal to integral c fz by z minus 0 dz 1 by twice pi. This is equal to 1 by twice pi I integral c cos z by z into z square plus 8 dz. So the value of the integral is equal to twice phi I into f of 0. F of 0 means cos 0 1 by 8. This is equal to pi I by 4. Now our third problem is in these two problems, here only interior to this curve is a single point. There exists a single point interior to this curve. Now in this problem we find 2 points interior to this curve. We now find this. Here this gamma, that is the curve is mod z equal to 4. So this is a circle having center at origin and radius is 4. Suppose this is the circle mod z equal to 4. Here when we put this equal to 0, we get 2 points, z equal to 0 as well as z equal to 1. So this is a interior point of this circle. Also z equal to 1 is an interior point of this circle. Here we get 2 points interior to this circle. Now we calculate this denominator part. Now it can be written in this way. This is equal to 1 by z minus 1 minus 1 by z. So our integral is mod z equal to 4 e to the power z into 1 by z minus 1 minus 1 by z dz. Now this is equal to mod z equal to 4 e to the power z by z minus 1 dz minus this. Using partial fraction, here we get 2 integrals and each of the integrals there are exactly 1 points corresponding to the denominator part which lies in the interior to the circle. Now if we take fz is equal to e to the power z, then this is equal to twice pi I f of 1 and this is equal to twice pi I f of 0. Here z0 equal to 0, here z0 equal to 1. So this is equal to twice pi I e, this is equal to twice pi I into 1, that is the value of the integral is twice pi I into e minus 1, e minus 1. Now we give another example of this type. Now mod of z equal to 5 is the curve and the function is this z plus 5 by z square minus 3z minus 4. Now if we calculate this part z square minus 3z minus 4, we get z minus 4 into z plus 1, factorize this, and if we this equate to 0, then we get 2 points z equal to 4 as well as z equal to minus 1, and both are interior to the circle z equal to mod z equal to 5, mod z equal to 5. If we draw this circle mod z equal to 5, this is a circle having center at origin and radius is 5, radius is 5. So z equal to 4 is the point this, and z equal to minus 1 will be a point in this point. Now we just write this integral into two integrals, and each of which contains exactly 1 point lies in this circle. Now write z plus 5 by this, that is z minus 4 into z plus 1 is equal to, in this way, z plus z minus 1 plus b into z plus 1. Now we write as partial fraction. So z plus 5 is equal to a into z plus 1 plus b into z minus 4. Equating coefficients of z as well as constant from both sides, we get a plus b is equal to 1 and a minus 4b is equal to 5. Now subtracting this from this, we get 5b, this minus this is equal to 5b is equal to 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. So b is equal to minus 4 by 5. If we put the values of b in this equation, we get a is equal to 1 plus 4 by 5, that is equal to 9 by 5. So the integral is equal to integral mod z equal to 5, here a equal to 9 by 5, 9 by 5 by z minus 4 dz, 9 minus 4 z minus by z minus 4 minus 4 by 5 by z plus 1 dz. This is equal to 9 by 5 integral mod z equal to 5 1 by z minus 4 dz minus 4 by 5 integral this dz by z plus 1. Here z0 equal to 4, here z0 equal to minus 1. So this is equal to 9 by 5. 9 by 5, this is equal to twice pi I. Here fz equal to constant 1, so f of 4 is also 1. So this is equal to 2 pi I into f of z0, here f of z0 equal to 1. Similarly, this is equal to 4 by 5 into twice pi I. So twice pi I into 9 by 5 minus 4 by 5, that is equal to 1. So this is equal to twice pi I, twice pi I. Now our next problem we solve using the derivative of analytic function, we have written the formula corresponding to derivative of analytic function. We now use to solve our next problem. Our next problem is integration on the simple closed contour mod z equal to 4, z to the power 4 by z minus I whole cube dz. Here mod z equal to 4 is a circle having center at origin, radius is 4, and z equal to I is interior to this circle. Suppose fz is equal to z to the power 4, then using the derivative of analytic function we get f triple dash I equal to 3 factorial by twice pi I into integral mod z equal to 4 by fz by z minus I whole, this is double dash, not triple dash, double dash, this is factorial to whole cube dz, fz equal to z to the power 4 here, so f dash z equal to 4z cube and f double dash z equal to 12z square. So f double dash I equal to I square equal to minus 1, that is equal to minus 12. So if we put this value, the integral is equal to twice pi I by 2 into this f double dash I. This is equal to minus 12. So this is equal to minus 12 pi I. Now we give another example using this formula of derivative of analytic function. Now we find integral mod z equal to 1 z plus 3 by z to the power 4 plus a z cube dz, where mod of a greater than 1. Now here the curve is a circle having center at origin and radius is 1, mod z equal to 1. So if we factorize the denominator part, then we get mod z plus 3 by z cube into z plus a. Since mod of a greater than 1, a must lies outside this circle. So here z equal to 0, that is a single point lies in the interior to the circle mod z equal to 1. So here we take fz is equal to z plus 3 by z plus a. So fz is analytic in this region, in this domain. Now using the formula of derivative of analytic function, we can write f double dash 0 equal to factorial 2 by 2 phi I integral mod z equal to 1 fz by z minus 0 tar whole cube dz. Here fz is equal to, we can write in this way, z plus a plus 3 minus a by z plus a, that is equal to 3 minus a by z plus a 1 plus. So f dash z is equal to minus 3 minus a by z plus a tar whole square and f double dash z is equal to 2 into 3 minus a by z plus a tar whole cube. So the value of the integral is equal to this is equal to 2 pi I by factorial 2, that is 2. This is equal to pi I into f double dash 0. Here f double dash 0 is equal to 2 into 3 minus a by a cube, which is the required value of this integration.